Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set volume up keys to answer call in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. This is volume up key. Usually, this volume up key will be used to increase media volume. Okay. Suppose if you would like to answer a call, then you can use this volume up key too. You go to do some settings. For first I check without setting. Okay, I make a call from another phone and I am receiving this call. To answer this call, if you press volume up key, it will not answer, just it will mute incoming call ringtone. Okay, so if you would like to set volume up key to answer call, instead of touching on the screen here like this, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the dialer of your phone here and then go to three vertical dots here, and here click on settings, then click on answering and ending calls, and here click on press volume up to answer calls. Okay, just turn on this button. Now hereafter, while you receiving incoming call, you can use volume up key to answer calls. Okay, see here I am receiving a call. Now I receive a call. Instead of this off key, I can use now volume up key to answer. Okay, see here, yes, just I won't press this volume up key and the call is attended. So in this way you can easily set volume up key to answer calls on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.